You the one I like. Come put your body on might. Keep it up all night.
Did a tough old season.
Yeah, you're still going though. Not driving, but you're starting.
I can't get over the difference that Yugen kit made to it.
Freshened it up.
Very fresh. And the one thing we thought would be in a million pieces was the spoiler.
I know, they escaped.
Yeah, escaped majority of the damage.
No wonder.
Poor old Gary Shorts. Clamshell, half it held up. Not bad all going though. Let's see what damage is inside the poor old Winters though. Yeah.
You're pretty deep into that anyway. Need a new bash spare too.
Yeah, sure, look it. Now's the time to go at it.
Time for fixing.
Not bad all stripping. Kit, skirts. Magpie. Like a magpie, you're going for all the shiny bits. I'd say.
The shaking to me and I was on the battery.
Oh, she a bit dirty. A little bit dirty. I can't believe how well that spoiler held up. Even the inside held up fairly alright.
Yeah, even the helmet and the walkie-talkie are left there since September.
Well, an extreme lack of interest. Mint. I probably should have picked up the camera when we were opening up the diff.
Oh, that would have been good.
Would have been a great idea. Oh, funk rap. Give us more stuff, funk. Please. Aggressive application. What ratio was in it? 3:9. 3:9. And in the end she had a 0-0.
Huh?
And in the end she had a 0-0.
Yeah.
Poor bitch.
Free wheel.
Free wheel. Drain tank next though.
Yep.
Mint. Sting.
The lower public.
No, hindsight now would have been put on gloves, but you're here.
Say then.
Yeah, alright.
Good man.
Oh. Pant just smells nice though.
Oh, very nice one. Sorry to spend over that drum.
There's more of a smell of petrol out of it than.
Yeah, that's probably because it's mixed too, I suppose.
I suppose there's more petrol in it, isn't there? You throw me a rag, please. Or my hands in here.
I might take over that.
Yep.
Yeah.
Carrot's pissing. Why is Carrot pissing at him? He's taking a wee. Yeah.
Then we pull it through. Start tanking it. Yeah, what the fuck?
Probably won't make it down all that. 0.
Choice. Should only flow as much as she'll flow.
Bet into it.
Yeah.
I love it.
Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Was down with a fever. 60 rebels today bound for Buckley Bay, and then you will reach them to see.
You died out for a little. Aye. Our base for the walk. The old lads drill and the truck kept slipping and never from the V-Watt one compared to the Dio. Yeah. Don't put your man with me. She's heavy when she puts the jack down that quick. Right? I'm going to step the chair as well.
Oh yeah, I'll set up the next bench.
Huh?
I'll set up the bench.
I don't mind, whatever you think.
Let's do it.
It's good as fucking entrance, can have it up to the runnable, so just come off again and you know.
Did you get them to do a bit?
The logo for Sandy Kulture. Yeah.
I'm still getting the hang of this.
Wait to see
We're- we're-
next year they just keep going, get better and better and better.
That is some clutch. I think that's sexy. Let's around this drag race and drifting done. Next 2 minutes.
Might keep it up all night.